How often do you have somebody call you up and say, "What are the current multiples for real estate brokerages today?"
Almost daily.
How do you answer that question?
Number one, I understand why it's being asked.
Hmm.
Number two, I don't like the question because it's the wrong question to ask. Here's why. If you lead with a multiple, it is true that if you take a look at all of the historical data on an average size real estate company since 1960s, of all the data that we know of, it averages to be about 3.5 times. So what happens? People glom onto that 3.5. Great, I'm going to have a brokerage. I had $100,000 in cash flow last year, so now I'm worth $350,000. Well, how do you know that? You don't. It's just like the stock market. The historical return on S&P 500, for example, can be right around 6.5% with dividends reinvested. Now I sound like a nerd. And that's over a very long period of time. However, some years it's up over 10%. Some years it's down, right? You're losing money on an investment. Wherever you're at in that space, and if you just pick an average multiple, a lot of times you're gonna lose unless you hit it perfectly. And that is exactly why you need a professional to go in and say, what is this company really worth today? Assess all of the risks. Never, ever lead with a multiple. I have seen deals where they get burned. They agree on a multiple ahead of time. And then down the road, the buyer especially gets burned. And you should not do that.